I think so often we have this intervention mentality, and I think we have to be more preventative. And mental health has been a problem historically, right? It's like we only go see someone when we're having the panic attack as opposed to how do we prevent them from happening, right? So I think in many ways we have to adopt preventative ideas as it relates to the mental wellness of a student athlete. So in many ways at home, right, and with your family and your caregivers and whatnot, it's fostering those different identities. Athletes know they have different identities, but they have to be fostered, right? So I'm not just an athlete. Again, student-athlete well-being, not athlete-student well-being, right? So it's really important that we acknowledge that they are a student first, then an athlete. But being a student implies you're also a son, daughter, you're also a sibling, you're also a whole lot of other things. And I think that with young people in particular need people in their lives to reinforce those other facets of the identity, which really speaks to not only values and speaks to psychological readiness, but my favorite term is emotional regulation.